Erawan Waterfall is located Sri-sa-wad district in Kanchanaburi province. You can reach Erawan Waterfall by own a car or take a bus from Kanchanaburi bus station.
Seems like everybody's got a price. I wonder how they sleep at night. When the tale comes first and the truth comes second, just stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so dang mysterious, with the shades on your eyes and your heels so high that you can't even have a good time. Everybody look to the left, everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we're paying them love tonight. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Ain't about the cha-ching, cha-ching. Ain't about the we'll bling, wanna make the world dance.
Hello everyone! Today we stay at Erawan Waterfall.
Okay, now you are watching of this waterfall. Okay, follow me. Before we will arrive waterfall, has footpath for to waterfall. It has distance 500 meters. Okay, follow me. Now we stay at the first level. It's called like Lang. In this level has atmosphere. Impressive. It's very beautiful.
I turn the music up, I got my records on. I shut the world outside until the lights come on. Maybe the streets are alive, maybe the trees are gone. I feel my heart stop beating to my favorite song. And all the kids they dance, all the kids all night until morning, oh, it feels another night.
Okay, next time we will go to the second level. Bye. Go away. Follow me. Fourth level is cornered in อกน้ำผีเสื้อ fourth level can swimming and you can walk up and slide down. This way go to the fifth level. The fifth level can swimming also. This the sixth level. Its core name is Dong Puksa. In this level, arrive with nature. This level is the top level of waterfall. In this level, when the water comes down, it looks like a huge elephant.